How to change your formation on Fantasy Premier League. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your Fantasy Premier League formation. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'll need to do to change your FPL formation is you will actually need to make substitutions. So that's effectively swapping players between your bench and your players on the field. So to do that, you'll first need to open up your Fantasy Premier League. Make sure you're logged in into your account. Then navigate to Pick Team section. For that, head over to the Fantasy section right here, this tab, and there you'll find Pick Team option. Tap on that. And after you tap on that, you'll have to select a player that you want to move. So let's say that I want to change my goalkeeper. If I tap on it, I'll get the option that says substitute. Tap on substitute, and there you'll find a person that you can replace him with. So tap on that and you've just replaced them. You can do the same for some other people as well. And yeah, if you remove a midfielder and add a goalkeeper, if you add a defender, you can see the formation changing. So if I now change this substitution, if I just change this, and if I add a forward, as you can see, this the formation has changed again, with 3 on forward, 4 on defense, and 3 on mid. And that's how you can effectively change your formation on Fantasy Premier League. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.